Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can add a discount or how you can provide discount while creating a document. So let us go to our transaction module and start creating a document. So on your left hand side, you will see transaction module option. Please click on this. Now on your right hand side, very top, you will get create document option. From there, I will select invoice as I am selling some of my items. So I am providing a discount on that. So this is the invoice format which will get opened in front of you. So this invoice is invoice of software. I will just put the title here and I will put the payment date here. So as payment date is of 20th, so I will put it from which store it will go. So just fill all of the details. Now here I will put the salesperson name. So it's Shishir. Now going below here is the item. So first of all, I need to select the item. So I will select one of my item which I am selling, which is software. So as because the details are added in my inventory, so each and every detail came here. Now I will just put the quantity. So 10 of my software which I am selling and the tax is 18%. Now how you can provide a discount on this? So on your right hand side, you will see optional columns. Click on this. Here you will get option of discount. So you need to select this option. Now here is the discount field. You can very well go ahead and provide a discount in percentage, or you can go ahead and provide a discount in rupees as well. So I will select rupees and I will just on the entire order I am providing a discount of 150 rupees. So accordingly it will make changes in the total. These are two of the custom field which I have created. Now going below, please check all the details here. So you will see the discount which you have provided in the total as well. So this is how you can select a discount. After that, you need to go ahead and click on save and send. So once I will go ahead and click on save and send, please check this particular invoice is created and I can see discount here being displayed that on this particular order 150 rupees discount I have provided. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in providing discount on invoice. Same you can go ahead and do on your quotation, on your purchase order and remaining documents. Have a good day ahead.